Are you tired of hunting through Wrike's menus just to change your password? Learn how to update it securely in under 1 minute. First, we'll open your profile settings. Then, enter your current and new passwords. And finally, click Change Password. Click the profile icon. Then click Settings from the menu. Type your old password in the password field. Type your new password in the next field. Retype the new password to confirm. Finally, click Change Password. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.